on the roll cage roof rack for the Apocalypse Tesla. Let the fabrication and choppage begin. Oh, look at all that mud. This whole front subframe is steel. This car is a weird amalgam of metals, like half of it's aluminum, half of it's steel, which means we can weld to it. So I'll clean off a good section here, and then I'll make a big plate to weld onto a large surface area for strength, and then I'll make a bracket that somehow or other bolts on. And then this piece of tube is gonna go vroom, 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 vroom. It's me as a Barbie. How the heck?
The background of the paper is even your treehouse.
This is amazing. I like how it's like actually covered in dirt.
Colored pink around the picture. And the treehouse is in the background.
And the Rogue Fab logo on the shirt. That's awesome.
Look at that.
That's incredible.
It makes me so happy.
With the mini Rogue Fab shirt.
So we're back in the shop. We got 88 feet of 1.5 inch tubing, which should be more than enough. I got this side all welded and bolted on. So it's time to move to the rear mounts before we can start rolling tubing so that we have a place to like test fit and mock it up to. I'm going to make some mounts that weld in here and then again have some sort of a bolt-on feature. Back glass. I think somebody said that this glass is like $1,000 to replace or something, so it's really comforting hammering like a 1/4 inch away from it. Well, here we are again, welding chunks into a Tesla. I love when your Tesla starts smoking. So I got my cardboard template here for the next stage of bracketry. And there's the bracket. Just gotta drill some holes in it. We got our sad Harbor Freight tubing roller out to roll some nice arcs for this. Crispy. That's looking nice. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, we gotta go a lot farther, but here, pull it out of the slot. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, I mean, it could go farther everywhere at this point, so we'll just run it a few more,
Okay.
check it, and then we'll check the ends. But...
Cool.
I think it needs to come out this way. Right? Oh no. Oh my gosh, this is a nightmare. Oh no. this is fun and all, but repeating this is gonna suck.
Yeah.
And the front end, because right now it comes over in a smooth arc and it hits in front of the plate, right? So the end of the tube, like no matter where the back is, right? It's if it's at the right elevation, it doesn't reach the plate that I made. So now I'm making a little bend at the end that just goes yoop. That'll kick it down into the thing. It makes that noise too. Yoop. That's funny. And as you can see, we have to have it out the door because our ceiling's
too short. Man, it's crispy cold out there.
We need that audio that goes, I'm so different when this Tesla's done. Yeah. Oh yeah, that is pretty much perfect. Took many hours for one piece of tube, but you know, this thing has a lot going on. It may look like just a simple hoop. I assure you it's not simple because it also twists in a lot of ways. As we were doing the rolling of this arc, we also just twisted it a few degrees so that it would arc in a curve, in a compound way.
I'm just here to remind you guys that eBay Motors has every part for every ride. You break something on your crazy Tacoma, it's on eBay. You need a part for your snow bike, eBay Motors has got you covered. You need a part for your old snowmobile, it's on eBay Motors. eBay Motors has parts for your old jet skis. eBay Motors even has parts for rare old machines like this Honda Odyssey. So don't sleep on it. Go to the best, easiest place to get parts. Get your fitment guaranteed for your ride. And if you don't already have the eBay Motors app on your phone, you are missing out because it is the easiest way to find parts for literally anything. So let's download that app, get the roll cage finished so we can put a roof tint on this bad boy and get ourselves down to hammers.
Got this welded on. So now on to the back part of the hoop, which is probably going to be almost as hard as these. It might take a couple tries. There might be some scrap metal involved. So I cut these two little sleeves of 1¼ inch tubing to sleeve the joint here. And then the plan is to make a piece that follows that, which is going to involve some tubing rolling, some tubing bending on the Rogue Fab, and probably some frustration. Start with like 10 degrees on each side. Man, if we have to throw this piece of pipe away, I'm gonna be very upset. It's significantly closer to clearing the window. That's something. It's hard to say where's what and what's who, but it fits great right there. You can see where exactly we want it. I think it'd look pretty silly if it didn't line up with this window seam here.
gotta get
Yep.
Oh, that's functions.
You good?
Yep. We need to go back for a few more inches so you can get around.
That's good right there.
Okay.
Okay, bring it back. Okay.
Wow, those brackets look
You
sick.
can set your end down, I think.
Okay.
So begins our journey from the great frozen Northlands down to King of the Hammers by way of Bozeman, Montana, which is totally the wrong direction, but that's where Go Fast Campers is. Gotta get a roof tent on the Tesla, so we got a place to sleep at Hammers. So we made it here to the outskirts of Bozeman at Go Fast Campers, and they built us a custom, slightly smaller roof tent for the Tesla. So we're gonna go put that on. It is awesome. And Graham here is one of the owners. Tell us some more about Go Fast Campers.
All of our products are built here in Montana, so we were super stoked to build something that was a little bit custom, a little bit smaller than normal, and kind of fit the width right on this Tesla.
It's a nice fresh grill bit. Yeah, I checked. I checked to make sure it was clear.
Dude, this is looking excellent.
Looks so good. I'm just standing here watching other people work, and that's not a thing I do. Drew's used to it. Dude. Ranger Gold. But with another axle. Ranger Gold. Woo! Final reveal! Look at her go.
Also, how cool is it that we're here to get a custom roof tent, and then they're just like, oh yeah, you can just sleep in all of the roof tents in our warehouse, or in, not the warehouse, but like retail place, and just like, oh yeah, just go spend the night there.
Will probably needs tucked in right now. But we got this great blanket right here. And we're just gonna give him a little wrap and say, sweet dreams are made of these. I don't know more lyrics than that part.
Ethan knows them.
Who am I to disagree? That was Steven's looking for that.
Some of them want to something.
Obviously, this is how we're hauling it down to KOH, but now it's time to find out if we can actually lift the camper up with the Camaro on there. The first little bit might be a little tricky. But once we get past... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
No way. No way.
It's like...
Wow.
That's amazing. That's the most glorious hood ornament that's ever existed. I mean, it's a roof ornament, but nevertheless. Yeah, we're about to head down to King of the Hammers. We're gonna have the Camaro, the Tesla, the Colonel with a shiny new body on it, and we're gonna be there with Go Fast Campers. So, enormous shout out to them for making us this insanely cool custom tent. Super last minute, and also for, you know, helping us get to King of the Hammers. They make awesome products made right here in Montana. Super high quality, like honestly the highest quality roof tent I've ever seen. Yeah, we'll see you at Hammers. Ethan, Edwin, and the whole GHPC crew. I've been a fan and follower of you on YouTube for a while, Now my wife and both boys have become huge fans as well. Your blend of artistry and fun has us all totally hooked, and we look forward to every new project and send. Enclosed, please find a little man we've affectionately dubbed Kennethan, or Kennethan, I guess, depends on how you pronounce it. It's been a lot of fun making him special and unique, and my super scrapbooker wife, Jennifer, gets full credit for the custom packaging. I suspect he's not very good with tools, but we hope he makes a good impression. That's awesome. P.S. Some of the grime on Wee Man's jeans came from the engine case and gearbox of my buddy Kyle's prototype cross-kart, KJ Racing. Anyway, he's also a Grindhard fan and was pretty blown away when I told him why I was rubbing doll pants on number 27.